What's up guys, welcome everyone to Tech Inquisitive. In this video I am going to show you how to insert SIM and micro SD card on your Samsung Galaxy J7 Next. So first of all, power off your device, and after completely powering off, remove the back part from starting from here, and then remove the battery. Then insert the SIM card 1 at this slot, and this is the SIM card 2 slot, and you can insert two micro SIM card and a memory card. This is the SIM slot 2. Insert the SIM card right this, and then put the micro SD card like this, and here you go. Now insert the battery according to the pin, and put the back part again. Now power on your device. Wait till it completely start up. And here we go. You can see both SIM card has been recognized. Now you can set up your SIM card call always as calls. You can prefer your SIM 1 or SIM 2 to by default call by default by which SIM card you want, and mobile data, etc. You can see I'm checking my balance. You can see everything is working, and now I will show you the micro SD card. And here you can see the SD card has been detected. I installed a 2 GB micro SD card just for showing this. Here you can see the SD card also detected. So that's it, and you can see the network bar, dual SIM network bar. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this and hope this will be helpful. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching.